Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome on a Monday. Yes, today is a Monday. Monday, April the 5th, 2021. We don't have a newspaper because it's the second happy Easter day. So no newspaper. So I've decided and mentioned before, I will continue with the Sudokus or puzzles of Friday. Yes, this puzzle page is from Friday, April the 2nd, 2021. I will continue with this newspaper because I've already solved the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic, but left the 1 star, the 2 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle number 2. So I will continue with this page, and the first puzzle is a Sudoku with a 1 star, and I've already have the number 2584 because this one is the number 2584 with 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. All right, 27 printed digits. The 2 star Sudoku has 26, the 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. All right, so let's get started. I see here the 7 in the last column. Here 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. All right. All right. And now, how about the number which number shall I pick? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. In this big square, we see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. Yes, 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. We have 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 248, 248. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Alright. How about the number? These 3 boxes in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. For more information, let me mark those 2 boxes because it's a pair. Alright, then. Yeah. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a 9 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 2. We have a 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for the number 1. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. We have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers in this big square are the number 6 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 8, 9, 6. 6, 9, 8. Alright. We see here 6 and we see there 9 in the first row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. Now we have an 8 there. So this box cannot be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Alright. And 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Alright. Now we have a 9 there. So this box cannot be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in that column. So in the column, in the last column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then 2, 4, 6, Okay. I made a mistake. Wow. Look, double 2. This is not good. It's not 1 and a 2 here. This should be the 1 and the 5. 5, 5, 5. Yes. Oh, I've recovered this mistake on time. Yes. This should be a 5. I don't know why I put the 2 there. I've lucky that I've done a double check. Yes, double check. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. All right. It's getting colder here, so I've noticed. All right, let me continue. Let me continue. So all the 5s are used, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Okay. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. All right. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 6. Ooh, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 6. How about these 2 boxes in the second column? 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. Ooh, I cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in the last row for the number 6. All right. And now I know 3 and 4. No. Okay. 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I can fill this number 8 in this for this second row. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 4, are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku with 1 star. Yes, definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. So prepare for this one. I will see you later. Bye-bye for now.